Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Visual Studio Code output issues, troubleshooting and getting output in the terminal, comprehensive guide. Visual Studio Code, vscode, is a powerful and versatile code editor. However, one common frustration new, and sometimes even experienced, users encounter is getting their program's output to display in the terminal, especially when starting with new languages or configurations. This guide aims to comprehensively address this issue, covering common causes, solutions, code examples, and best practices to ensure you see your program's output where you expect it. Why output might not appear in the terminal. Several factors can prevent your program's output from displaying in VS Code's integrated terminal. These include 1. Incorrect task configuration. Tasks.json VS Code uses tasks to automate build, run, and debug processes. If the tasks.json file, found in the .vscode folder of your workspace, isn't properly configured for your language and project, the program may not execute correctly, or its output might be redirected elsewhere. 2. Missing or incorrect launch configuration. Launch.json when debugging, the launch.json file specifies how VS Code should launch your program. An incorrect configuration can lead to errors or output redirection. 3. No terminal enabled or selected. It might seem obvious, but ensure that the integrated terminal is open and selected. Sometimes it closes accidentally. 4. Extension conflicts or issues. Certain extensions can interfere with terminal output, particularly those that try to handle running or debugging code themselves. 5. Language-specific issues. Different programming languages have different ways of handling output. Some require specific libraries or settings to properly display output in the terminal. 6. Operating system differences. The behavior of terminals and command line tools can vary across operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, impacting how VS Code handles output. 7. Build errors. If your code has syntax errors or other problems that prevent it from compiling/building, the program won't run, and no output will be generated. 8. Program doesn't produce output. This sounds silly, but ensure your code actually has print or output statements. Step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Here's a systematic approach to identify and fix the issue. 1. Verify basic functionality and code correctness. Simple hello, world. Program ***. Create a very basic program to rule out complex code issues. This simplifies the troubleshooting process. Example, Python, hello.py. Example, JavaScript, hello.js. Example, C++, hello.cpp. Run the program outside VS Code. Try running the program directly from your system's command prompt or terminal. This bypasses VS Code and verifies that the interpreter/compiler is correctly installed and functioning. Python hello.py. JavaScript, node.js node hello.js. C++**. Compile, G++ hello.cpp hello. Run, /hello, Linux/Mac OS, or hello.exe, Windows. If the program runs successfully in the command prompt/terminal but not in VS Code, the problem likely lies within VS Code's configuration. 2. Check terminal configuration. Open the integrated terminal. Press Ctrl+, backtick, or go to View-Terminal in the menu. Make sure the terminal is visible. Select the correct terminal. VS Code can have multiple terminal instances. Ensure the correct one is selected using the drop-down menu at the top right of the terminal panel. If you're working with a specific environment, example a virtual environment in Python, make sure that terminal is activated. 3. Examine and configure tasks.json. The tasks.json file is crucial for defining build and run tasks. Create tasks.json, if it doesn't exist press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac OS, to open the command palette. Type tasks, configure task and select it. vscode will prompt you to select a task runner or create a tasks.json file. Choose Create tasks.json from template. vscode will provide a list of templates based on detected project types, example others for a simple example. If your language isn't listed, start with others and customize the template. Understand the structure. A basic tasks.json file looks like this. Version specifies the version of the tasks.json schema. Tasks, an array of task definitions. Label, a name for the task. Type, specifies the type of task. Shell executes shell commands, process executes a specific executable. Shell is generally a good starting point. Command, the command to execute. Configure tasks for running code. Here are examples for common languages. Python $file expands to the full path of the currently open file. Reveal always ensures the terminal is shown when the task runs. Panel new opens a new terminal panel for each execution. This can be useful to keep output separate. Group kind build is default. True marks this task as the default build task, which can be invoked with Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Change kind to test if you intend this task for running tests. JavaScript, Node.js. C++. This example uses G++ for compilation and then runs the executable. This configuration has two tasks, build C++ and run C++. Build C++ compiles the code and creates an executable in the same directory as the source file. Run C++ then executes the compiled program. Depends on, build C++ ensures that the code is compiled before running. G adds debugging information to the executable. $filename $file base name no extension creates the executable name based on the file name without the extension. Run the task after configuring tasks.json, you can run a task by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac OS, typing tasks, run task, and selecting the desired task. If you've set is default, true, you can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus B, or CMD plus Shift plus B on Mac OS, to run the default build task. 4. Inspect and configure launch.json, for debugging. The launch.json file configures the debugger. Create launch.json, if it doesn't exist go to the debug view, click the bug icon in the activity bar, and click Create a launch.json file. VS Code will suggest a debugger configuration based on the detected project type. Understand the structure. A basic launch.json looks like this. Version specifies the version of the launch.json schema. Configurations, an array of debug configurations. Type specifies the debugger type, example Node for Node.js, Python for Python, CPPDBG for C++. VS Code will suggest the appropriate type based on your project. Asterisk request specifies the type of debug request. Launch starts the program, attach connects to a running process. Asterisk name, a name for the debug configuration. Asterisk program, the path to the program to debug. Asterisk common configuration options. Asterisk console, specifies the console to use for output. Common values include integrated terminal, uses the VS Code integrated terminal. External terminal, opens a separate external terminal window. Internal console, uses VS Code's debug console, less common. Ensure this is set to integrated terminal for your intended output. CWD, specifies the current working directory for the program. If your program relies on files in a specific directory, ensure this is set correctly. Args, an array of command line arguments to pass to the program. env, an object containing environment variables to set for the program. Example launch.json for Python. Example launch.json for JavaScript, Node.js. Example launch.json for C++. Program, $workspace folder / file base name. No extension specifies the path to the compiled executable. Make sure this matches the output path defined in your tasks.json. External console, false configures the debugger to use the integrated terminal. Setting it to true will use a separate terminal window. Me debugger path specifies the path to the debugger, GDB in this case. This path might be different depending on your system and installation. Start debugging. After configuring launch.json, start debugging by pressing F5 or clicking the Run button in the debug view. 5. Address extension conflicts. Disable extensions. Try disabling extensions that might be interfering with the terminal output. A good starting point is to disable language-specific extensions, especially those related to code execution, to see if that resolves the issue. You can disable extensions in the Extensions view, Ctrl+Shift+X or CMD+Shift+X. Identify the culprit. If disabling all extensions resolves the issue, re-enable them one by one to identify the specific extension causing the conflict. 6. Check language-specific issues. Python virtual environments. Ensure you're running your code within the correct virtual environment if you're using one. The VS Code Python extension should automatically activate the virtual environment in the integrated terminal. You can manually activate it in the terminal using sourcevenv/bin/activate, Linux/Mac OS, or venv/scripts/activate, Windows. Buffering. Python's output buffering can sometimes cause delays in displaying output. You can try adding sys.stout.flush after print statements or using the U flag when running Python, example Python uhello.py. JavaScript, Node.js. Node.js version. Ensure you have a compatible version of Node.js installed. C++. Compiler configuration. Verify that you have a C++ compiler, like GCC or Clang, installed and configured correctly. The path to the compiler should be in your system's environment variables. Standard library. Ensure your compiler is configured to use the correct C++ standard library. You might need to specify the standard using the std = C++XX flag, example std = C++17, during compilation. 7. Operating system considerations. Windows PowerShell versus command prompt. VS Code can use either PowerShell or the command prompt as the integrated terminal. Some commands and behaviors might differ between the two. You can change the default terminal in VS Code settings, file-preferences-settings or code-preferences-settings on Mac OS, by searching for terminal.integrated.shell.windows. Execution policy. On Windows, PowerShell's execution policy might prevent running scripts. You might need to adjust the execution policy to allow script execution. Use with caution and understand the security implications. Mac OS/Linux shell configuration. The default shell, example bash, zsh, can affect how commands are interpreted. 8. Other tips and best practices. VS Code settings. Explore VS Code settings, accessed via file-preferences-settings or code-preferences-settings on Mac OS, for options related to the terminal and debugging. Search for terms like terminal, console, debug, and your programming language, example Python. Restart VS Code. Sometimes, a simple restart of VS Code can resolve temporary issues. Update VS Code. Ensure you're using the latest version of VS Code. Check the output panel. Sometimes output may be displayed in the output panel, rather than the terminal. This can happen if the configuration directs the output stream there. Clear output. If you're experiencing problems with garbled or incomplete output, try clearing the terminal or output panel before running your code. Use a logger. For more complex applications, consider using a proper logging library instead of print statements. Logging libraries provide more flexibility and control over how output is handled. Read the documentation. Consult the documentation for VS Code, your programming language, and any relevant extensions for more specific troubleshooting information. Code example, handling input/output, I/O, and errors. Here's an example in Python that demonstrates handling input, output, and potential errors. This example demonstrates input using the input function to get user input from the terminal. Error handling using a try except block to catch potential value error exceptions if the user enters invalid input for the age, and other general exceptions. Output using print to display information to the terminal. sys.exit exiting the program with an error code if an error occurs. This can be helpful for debugging and automation. Conclusion. Getting output to appear in VS Code's terminal requires careful configuration and troubleshooting. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you should be able to identify and resolve most common output issues. Remember to test your code incrementally, starting with simple examples, and systematically check each configuration component. Happy coding!